If you are experiencing anxiety, struggling with mental health, or having suicidal thoughts, it's important to seek support. Reach out to a trusted friend, family member, therapist, or counselor. You can also contact a helpline or a mental health professional for immediate help. Remember, you are not alone, and there are people who want to help you through this. Number 1. Seek professional. Consider therapy or counseling with a licensed mental health professional. They can provide personalized support and guidance. Number 2. Build the support. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family members, or support groups who understand what you're going through. Number 3. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical and emotional well-being by prioritizing activities that promote relaxation, such as exercise, meditation, hobbies, and spending time in nature. Number 4. Establish a routine. Stick to a daily routine that includes healthy habitat like regular sleep, balanced meal, exercise, and relaxation. Number 5. Learn coping skill. Explore techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, progressive muscle relaxation, and cognitive behavioral therapy to manage anxiety and stress. Number 6. Reach out for help. Talk to someone you trust, whether it's a friend, family member, or mental health professional. You don't have to go through this alone. Number 7. Developing coping strategies. Find find healthy ways to cope with stress such as mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, journaling, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Number 8. Limit alcohol and drug use. Avoid using substances as a way to cope with your feelings as they can exacerbate mental health issues. Number 9. Stay connected. Maintain connection with supportive people in your life. Even if it feels difficult, reaching out and spending time with your adult can help your feeling of loneliness and isolation. Number 10. Set a realistic goal. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your achievement along the way. Setting realistic goals can help you regain a sense of accomplishment and purposes. 11. Explore medication options. If your mental health condition is severe, medication prescribed by a healthcare professional may be beneficial in managing symptoms. It, it's important to work closely with a doctor to find the right medication and dosage for you. Number 12. Give yourself compassion. Be gentle with yourself and acknowledge that it's okay to have bad day. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend in need. Remember, recovery is a journey and it's okay to take small steps forward. You deserve support, understanding, and compassion as you navigate your mental health journey.